Please be seated, ladies and gentlemen. We are starting our event. Honorable Chief Guest, respected guest of honor, esteemed dignitaries, guests, and delegates, a very good morning and a warm welcome to this conference on cybersecurity organized jointly by CSIRT Power and GSECL. To commence the inauguration, it is my privilege to invite our esteemed dignitaries to grace the dais. Please join me welcoming our chief guest of the day, Shri T. Srinivas, Executive Director and CISO, Grid India, with a huge round of applause. Welcome, sir. I would also like to welcome on stage Shri LKS Rathore, Director, Cybersecurity, CSIRT Power. Welcome, sir. Shri Shailesh Kumar Gupta, Executive Director, SECI and CISO. Welcome, sir. Shri Mahesh Mendele, Executive Director, WRLDC. Welcome, sir. Shri D.H. Wasawa, Executive Director, GSECL. Ladies and gentlemen, please give them a huge round of applause. Welcome, sir. We are honored to have such distinguished leaders with us today. Let's all join in giving a huge round of applause to welcome them. Ladies and gentlemen, imagine a scenario where a cyber attack shuts down power to an entire city. Hospitals, industries, transport, everything at a standstill. This may sound like a movie, but has already occurred in various forms globally, and the risk for us is real and growing. Data Security Council of India reveals that power and energy sector has become a prime target for cyber criminals, accounting for 29% of all malware detections in 2024. And this underscores the vital role of CSIRT Power and today's gathering to discuss cyber security in power. We sincerely hope that the ideas shared and discussions held today will spark a fresh perspective, deepen our collective understanding, and strengthen the power sector. Moving forward to our event, to mark the auspicious beginning of today's event, I request our dignitaries to kindly come forward for ceremonial lamp lighting, a symbol of knowledge, hope, and a bright future we aim to build in power sector. Please, sir. I now request Shri LKS Rathore, Director Cyber Security, CSIRT Power, to kindly facilitate our chief guest, Shri T. Srinivas, Executive Director, Grid India. Please give them a big round of applause. With this shared commitment, we now move forward for the event dedicated to strengthening cybersecurity resilience in power sector. Our respected MD, could not be present here due to unforeseen circumstances. However, he will be conveying his heartfelt wishes and welcome address through video conferencing. We'll now be connecting to Sri Somesh Bandopadhyay, Managing Director, GACCL, to deliver his wishes and welcome address. Ladies and gentlemen, please be patient while we are connecting to our MD, sir. Thank you, sir. We sincerely appreciate your words. Indeed, India, from modest beginnings in digital adoption, is now advancing to building its own energy stack, installing smart meters, building full-fledged digital substations, making cybersecurity even more important. Let us now welcome Shri LKS Rathore, Director Cybersecurity, CSIRT Power, to stage for the inaugural address. Thank you, sir. CSIRT is really driving change by building awareness and strengthening cybersecurity in power sector. And GACCL is really proud to be part of this effort. Thank you, sir. Now, to give you a glimpse of the impactful work being carried out by CSIRT Power, we will now show a short video. That was an insightful video. Next, I invite Sri Mahesh Mehendale, Executive Director, WRLDC, to grace the stage and address the gathering. Thank you very much, sir, for not only highlighting the critical challenges, but also offering the practical insights. Thank you so much. With great pleasure, may I call upon Sri Shailesh Kumar Gupta, Executive Director, SECI, to address the gathering. Thank you, sir. We appreciate your insights, showing that with right cybersecurity measures and capacity building, we can safeguard our power sector. I invite Sri T. Srinivas, Executive Director and Chief Information Security Officer, Grid India, to grace the stage and address the gathering. Please give him a big round of applause. Thank you, sir, for stressing that as the power sector evolves, strengthening cybersecurity remains vital to secure our critical infrastructure. Ladies and gentlemen, to showcase the journey of and achievements of GACCL, now let us watch a short video presentation. It is indeed a matter of pride to be a part of GACCL, an organization that continues to drive progress in power sector. Up next, we will be presenting an overview of GUVNL and GACCL, highlighting its journey, achievements, and initiatives in cybersecurity. May I request Sri C.N. Pendor, AGM IT, GUVNL, and Sri V.M. Dodia, Senior Manager, IT and CISO, GACCL, to kindly take us through the detailed. जय जय, ये सर को दे दो. Ladies and gentlemen, please reassemble to your seats. We are soon going to start our sessions.
हो गया ना, किसको बोलना है बुलाना है वहां पे.
वही है ना सर, गणवेश सर नहीं है.
गणेश नहीं आ रहे, त्रिपाठी साहब है और गिरवाला साहब और चौधरी साहब, उनको इनवाइट करना है आगे.
I request you all to kindly return to your seats. We are soon going to start our sessions.
showing the please. He's there. Up.
Please welcome our other guest, Shri Amit Arora, IAS, Chief Administrative and Chief Executive Officer, Kevadia, with a big round of applause. I request Shri LKS Rathod, Director, Cyber Security, CSIRT Power, to kindly felicitate Shri Amit Arora, IAS, Chief Administrative and Chief Executive Officer, SOU, Kevadia. Please, sir. Please, sir, grace the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, please give him a big round of applause. May I request Sri Agneshwar Vyas, DCF, Ekta Nagar, to please raise the stage. I request Sri LKS Rathod, sir, to kindly facilitate him. May I request Sri Agneshwar Vyas, DCF, Ekta Nagar, to please address the session, sir. Thank you, sir. We have experienced actually that Kevadia is not just a destination, it's an experience. Now I request Shri Amit Arora, sir, to please grace the occasion with his address. Ladies and gentlemen, again, a huge round of applause. मैं सभी की ओर से माननीय आईएएस अधिकारी का हृदय से धन्यवाद करती हूं कि आपने अपने व्यस्त समय से ये समय निकालकर हमें सम्मानित किया। धन्यवाद सर। I request Director LKS Rathod sir to please come and thank Honorable DCF. We will now move on to our session. So please be ready. Thank you so much all. Now I request Srimati Amita Chaudhary, SC, Superintending Engineer, Corporate Office, to felicitate our session chairs and our presenters too. Ladies and gentlemen, we are postponing the lunch a little as our hunger for knowledge is much more than our hunger for food, I guess. So please be patient. Now I request Shri Dr. Kishan Kumar, scientist E, Cert in, to take us through his presentation on CSK and framing of CCMP. As session chairs, I request Shri K. N. Chaudhary, C Fuel, Corporate Office, GSCCL, and Shri Anurag Khare, AGM IT, NTPC, to please come upon stage. I once again request Shri Mukesh Kumar, DGM CSIRT Power, to brief us on Introduction to Forensic Analysis. This session will be chaired by Shri LKS Rathore, Director CSIRT Power, and Shri VK Kanodia, AGM IT NTPC. We will take, sir, only 2 questions here. The rest, if you have any query, you can mail anytime due to time issues. Thank you so much, all. I request Shri Devang Shah, AGM HR, GSCCL, to felicitate the session chairs and presenter, please. थैंक यू सर। और अब हम एक क्विज कंपटीशन कराने वाले हैं जिसका आयोजन करने के लिए मैं मिस हरिप्रिया ब्रिष्ट, साइंटिफिक ऑफिसर, और श्री आशीष गोयल, एजीएम सीएसआईआरटी पावर, को बुलाना चाहूंगी। इस क्विज को जज करने के लिए मैं श्री दीपक मित्तल, डीजीएम आईटी एसईसीआई, को स्टेज पर आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी। Now I request Shri Deepak Kumar, Assistant Director, CEA, to felicitate the session chairs and presenter. Those who have not filled their feedback form, please fill the form so that we can collect them. It is now time for the final session of the day. May I request Shri Leeladhar Meena, Director, NCIIPC, to share the insights on identification of CII. As session chairs, I request Shri P.B. Parmar, ESLDC, and Shri Ashish Loya, Deputy Director, CSIRT Power. Please come up on stage. It's time for the second round of our quiz. I invite Shri V. N. Das, DGM CSIRT, and Shri Himanshu Kumar, Deputy Manager CSIRT Power, to conduct the quiz. The quiz will be judged by Shri Prateek Srivastav, Deputy Director CSIRT Power. Dignitaries and guests other than GSCCL officials and GOVNL officials, we request you to kindly collect your mementos before leaving as a token of our gratitude, please. Ladies and gentlemen, as we draw today's program to a close, on behalf of the organizers, I sincerely thank all the speakers, participants, management team, and guests for their valuable time and contribution. May I now request Shri D.H. Wasawa, Executive Director, GSCCL, to kindly deliver the closing remarks. Please give him a huge round of applause.
Good evening to everyone. Of course, we are late now, but